What's up guys, today I'm going to show you how you can connect your washing machine to a hose. For this job, we're gonna need two things, top adapter and a male thread for the hose. To start, we're gonna need to prepare our hose. After preparing our hose, it's now time to weld. We need to remove the male thread to its packaging. We need to put the yellow thing in the hose. This will tighten our thread installation later. Next, we need to mount the male thread to our hose. Make sure the thread is mounted all the way so there will be less chance to have a leak. By the way, there are different sizes of hose, so make sure to buy the correct size for your hose. Now, it's time to pull the yellow thing again and screw things in place. It's time to get our top adapter. We need to remove the yellow thread first. We don't need it anymore. Now we can mount the top adapter to our male thread. This adapter will now replace the old washing machine connector. So now I will be installing the washing machine hose and connect it to our hose. So I lied. We need another material. If you already have a rubber like this, feel free to use it. In my case, I stole a rubber from another hose connector. Finally, it's now leak free. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Thank you for watching.